Okay, here we are with our beautiful session, waiting for our beautiful drums, and we are ready to import them. So let's import them. So we're going to go File, Import, Audio. Now, it's going directly to where my files are, but say it didn't go directly. Where do we need to go? Well, my files are on my desktop, so go into my desktop, hit Files. Oh, look at all my beautiful drums. They're right there. I'm going to hit Copy. Now, you may see Convert, because you may have a different source sample rate. But since my source sample rate is 48 and my destination sample rate is 48, I don't need to convert anything because it's already ready to go. So I'm just copying it over. I could add it over, but if I added it over, it would only add it from the desktop and they would all stay at the desktop. But I don't want that. I want them in my audio folder, in my session whole package project folder, all in the same place. So that's why I'm not adding it. That's why I'm copying it over. And then whatever I do to those files on the desktop doesn't matter because I don't need them anymore because everything's contained within my session folder. So I'm going to hit done. It's going to say, where do you want to put these files? Well, I already have them in our session, so that's why you're seeing these grayed out files. Usually there wouldn't be anything here. See, here's the session we're working with, Beggar Drums. We got the project file, we've got bounced files, clip group, session file, backups, video files. All this stuff just automatically populates or creates itself when you create the session, including audio files folder. And I'm gonna hit there. That's where I want them to copy. So that's where they're copied. I'm gonna say new track. I could say clip list, but I don't want them in a clip list. I want them on the new track. And I want them at the selection. So if I was selected here, they would just come here. If I was here, they would come here. But let's keep it on selection, and it'll go ahead and start at the very session start because that's where the selection is. And there they are. There's our beautiful drum tracks ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and delete these because I already have them in the session moved where I want them. So here's a little nifty thing I can show you. I deleted them out of the session, right? They're gone. But they're not really gone. They're still in the session list. So I click this drop down and I say select unused, and then I clear them out. And then I hit delete those suckers, and they're gone. They're gone. Be careful when you do that because I am guilty. I have had situations where I've deleted files and they are gone. They don't just go to the trash. See how the trash is empty? They're gone. They're just gone. And I've made some mistakes in my past. I don't want to talk about it. But we do have the tracks in here. Here's the list right here. Here's our track list by clicking this little side guy. I'm going to go ahead and close the clip list. Here's our track list. So right now you can't see them, but oh, here they come. Clicking the little dot here makes them show up. Vice versa, you can click it and make them disappear. So here's our drum tracks. What do they sound like? Let's check out what the original track, or the finished track I should say, sounds like. Okay, so that's the finished song with the drums completely done on it. What do our raw tracks sound like? Okay, so they sound a little different than the finished version. So yeah, we got a little work to do. Yeah, let's do it. So we've got our tracks inside of our session. We are ready to start organizing them and move forward on our drum mix. So let's do that.